closing the project. Let's talk about the final steps to project completion. Closing the project is probably every project manager's favorite part of the project because we're done. We have something to look back on what we've accomplished. In this section, we're going to talk about closing the whole project, closing a project phase, and then also focusing on customer acceptance. We'll also look at what are the activities that we have to do in order to successfully close the project. There are some end-of-project activities that we want to do to be an effective project manager, not just for our current project, but it helps us be successful for future projects. You may have to host or oversee an operational transfer. How do you move the solution, the thing that your project created, from being owned by the project to operations? So we might have to do some type of an operational transfer as part of closing and shutting down your project. Now, one thing that is becoming more and more popular is to host a project post-mortem. It sounds a little morbid, I know, but it's looking back on what worked well and didn't work well, an honest reflection of the project that you do at the end, so that as you go into future projects, you can take that information and build upon it. Now, I'm a little skeptical to some extent about the project post-mortem. I think it's a good thing to do, but I'd much rather have reviews or retrospectives throughout the project. So if there's a problem, I can act on it. I can fix it while the project's still in motion. If I don't know that there's a problem until the project is done, what good does that do anyone? So I want to know about these things throughout the project. So we'll talk about the project post-mortem. I think it's a good thing to do, but I also think we want to balance that with some intermittent reviews or retrospectives throughout the project. So it gives you an opportunity to address and fix any issues.